Hello friends, I am going to introduce you one more classic in American literature, Walden. This session is prepared on the demand of one of the subscribers, but I would like to clarify here that Walden contains more than 300 pages. To cover all the MCQs in a single video of 10 to 15 minutes is totally impossible. Each and every chapter can have as many MCQs as I have provided you here. Therefore, the best approach to cover MCQs is to approach your original textbook. If these MCQs helped you in preparing your study, it is the moment of great joy for me. As I have mentioned earlier, Walden is a collection of 18 essays consisting of more than 300 pages. American transcendentalist philosopher wrote this work. Thoreau had stayed 2 years, 2 months, and 2 days at a Walden Pond, a tract of land owned by Emerson, his friend. Here, the writer has given his experiences of his life at Walden Pond. Walden was published in 1854. Thoreau had a great expectation from the work, but the work could not reach to his expectation. It was received rather coldly. However, after Thoreau's death, the popularity of the Walden grew up gradually. Today, it is known as one of the American classics. Let us jump to our topic, MCQs on Walden. Number 1, which of the following is true to Walden? Options are A, it is a work by Henry David Thoreau. B, it was published in 1854. C, it is subtitled as Life in the Wood. D, all these are true. Correct option is D, all these are true. Number 2, Walden contains dash essays, chapters in all. Options are A, 3, B, 12, C, 15, D, 18. Correct option is D, 18. Number 3, identify from the following Thoreau's spiritual mentor. Options are A, Ralph Waldo Emerson. B, Margaret Fuller. C, Amos Bronson Alcott. C, Ellery Channing. Correct option is A, Ralph Waldo Emerson. Number 4, Walden Pond, a tract of land was owned by dash. Options are A, Sam Staples. B, Ralph Waldo Emerson. C, Wyman. D, Hugh Quail. Correct option is B, Ralph Waldo Emerson. Number 5, Thoreau lived in a hut at Walden Pond for dash. Options are A, a year. B, 2 years. C, 2 years and 2 months. D, 7 years and a month. Correct option is C, 2 years and 2 months. Number 6, as Thoreau thinks, which of the following is the necessity of human beings? Options are A, food. B, shelter. C, clothing. D, fuel. E, all these. Correct option is all these. Number 7, Thoreau moved to Walden on dash. Options are A, July 4, 1845. B, September 6, 1847, C. January 11, 1854, D. 6 May 1862. Correct option is A. July 4, 1845. Number 8. Thoreau's Walden experiment was to dash dash. Options are A. Instruct his fellow men who labor under a mistake about life. B. Enjoying the real life in the company of nature. C. Have a new experience of life. D. Repent for the mistakes in life. Correct option is A. Instruct his fellow men who labor under a mistake about life. Number 9. Identify from the following the first chapter in Thoreau's Walden. Options are A. Sound, B. Spring, C. Solitude, D. Economy. Correct option is D. Economy. Number 10. Before establishing his hut at Walden Pond, Thoreau was interested in a farm called dash dash. Options are A. Hollowell Farm, B. Baker Farm, C. White Farm, D. Valley View Farm. Correct option is A. Hollowell Farm. Number 11. Thoreau compares a great reader to dash dash. Options are A. Farm worker, B. Athlete, C. Fortune teller, D. Vagabond. Correct option is B. Athlete. Number 12. As Thoreau thinks dash dash is unhealthy for the wit and thoughtfulness of the nation. Options are A. Excessive zeal for business, B. Excessive madness for classical works, C. Yearning for luxury, D. Yearning for development. Correct option is A. Excessive zeal for business. Number 13. Dash dash has been described as midnight hags by Thoreau. Options are A. Crows, B. Rooster, C. Owls, D. Bullfrogs. Correct option is C. Owls. Number 14. Thoreau disdains dash dash. Options are A. Vagabonds, B. Wayfarers, C. Beggars, D. Farm workers. Correct option is C. Beggars. Number 15. Which of the following is true to Alex Therion? Options are A. He is one of the visitors at the Walden home, B. He is French Canadian born woodman, C. He is living an animal life, D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 16. Thoreau compares himself to dash dash. Options are A. North African giant that fought with Hercules, B. Dabbling like plastic artist in a dewy and crumbling sand, C. To both, D. To none of them. Correct option is C. To both. Number 17. The soil Thoreau cultivates was full of dash dash artifacts. Options are A. Native American, B. Egyptian, C. Irish, D. French. Correct option is A. Native American. Number 18. Which of the following crop does Thoreau cultivate on the soil at Walden? Options are A. Rye, B. Beans, C. Rice, D. Millet. Correct option is B. Beans. Number 19. On one of his journey into Concord, Thoreau was jailed for dash dash. Options are A. his refusal to pay a poll tax. B. Hunting a deer at Walden. C. Preaching his theory of transcendentalism. D. Insulting one of the beggars. Correct option is A. His refusal to pay a poll tax. Number 20. Pick out the constable that arrested Thoreau for refusing the poll tax. Options are A. Hugh Quayle, B. Sam Staples, C. Wyman, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Sam Staples. Number 21. Who calls Thoreau a wild rebel? Options are A. John Farmer, B. Sam Staples, C. Hugh Quayle, D. Thoreau himself. Correct option is D. Thoreau himself. Number 22. Thoreau finds John Field and his family in a hut near Dastas. Options are A. Baker Farm, B. Hollowell Farm, C. White Farm, D. Elsewhere. Correct option is A. Baker Farm. Number 23. Identify from the following an allegorical representation of the common man. Options are A. Ellery Channing, B. John Farmer, C. Cato Ingraham, D. Wyman. Correct option is B. John Farmer. Number 24. Whom Thoreau describes as round, grassy face and bare breast. Options are A. Mrs. Field, B. Fend Freeman, C. Zilpah, D. Rudy Lustful Old Dame. Correct option is A. Mrs. Field. Number 25. Whom Thoreau describes as wrinkled and cone-headed. Options are A. Sam Staples, B. Field Baby, C. Hugh Quayle, D. Zilpah. Correct option is B. Field Baby. Number 26. At Walden, Thoreau lived in a Dastas single cabin. Options are A. 10 by 15, B. 7 by 11, C. 11 by 16, D. 10 by 20. Correct option is A. 10 by 15. Number 27. Which point has been described by Thoreau as lovelier than diamond? Options are A. Walden, B. White, C. Both, D. None. Correct option is C. Both. Number 28. To Thoreau, Dastas leads human to kill animals. Options are A. A primitive carnal sensuality, B. A false notion of bravery, C. A shortage of food, D. Whimsicality. Correct option is A. Primitive carnal sensuality. Number 29. Pick out from the following the poet friend of Thoreau. Options are A. Cato Ingraham, B. Wyman, C. Hugh Quayle, D. Ellery Channing. Correct option is D. Ellery Channing. Number 30. To Thoreau, the best books are Dastas. Options are A. The noblest recorded thoughts of man, B. Mirror of the society, C. Important document of man's development, D. The first-hand record of the writer's experience. Correct option is A. The noblest recorded thoughts of man. Number 31. Who of the following is said to have fought at the Battle of Waterloo? Options are A. Wyman, B. Hugh Quayle, C. Breeder Freeman, D. James Collins. Correct option is B. Hugh Quine. Number 32. As Thoreau found out the depth of the Walden Pond is dash dash. Options are A. 37 feet, B. 65 feet, C. 88 feet, D. 107 feet. Correct option is D. 107 feet. Number 33. Which of the following is true to James Collins? Options are A. He is an Irish fellow. B. Thoreau buys his shanty for $4.25. C. Both are true. D. None is true. Correct option is C. Both are true. Number 34. Which of the following is true to Breeder Freeman? Options are A. He is a former slave. B. He is an apple grower. C. His wife, Fend, is a fortune teller. D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Fend Freeman was the wife of Breeder Freeman and she was a fortune teller. Remind it. Number 35. Identify from the following the fictional character in Thoreau's Walden. Options are A. Hermit, B. Poet, C. Both, D. None of these. Correct option is C. Both. Number 36. Identify from the following the potter in Thoreau's Walden. Options are A. Wyman, B. Breeder Freeman, C. Sam Staples, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Wyman. Number 37. The home of Dastas was burnt during the War of 1812 by English soldiers. Options are A. Fend Freeman, B. Mrs. Field, C. Jhilpa, D. None of them. Correct option is C. Jhilpa. Number 38. Who of the following told fables to Thoreau? Options are A. A ruddy and lustful old dame, B. Jhilpa, C. Ellery Channing, D. Cato Ingraham. Correct option is A. A ruddy and lustful old dame. Number 39. Who called Walden an original omelette from which people can draw nourishment in a hungry day? Options are A. E. B. White, B. Robert Frost, C. Edward Abbey, D. John Updike. Correct option is A. E. B. White. Number 40. Thoreau is known as Dastas. Options are A. Transcendentalist, B. Zoroastrian, C. Platonist, D. Epicurean. Correct option is A. Transcendentalist.